Hi guys. So today I've got a PS1 controller. It's from a dumpster. It's been tested and it all works. But I'm going to clean it. Basically, I'm going to take it all to bits. I'm going to show you how to take it to bits and put it back together again. So today I'm going to be doing that on this. You're going to need a Phillips 1 screwdriver, toothbrush, some fairy liquid. I use it in a spray bottle, but you can use it wherever you want. I don't think we're going to need rubbing alcohol today, and a cloth. This is just a thing to put the screws in so they don't roll onto the floor. So there is 8 screws holding this in, so you can see where they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll take those out. If you could like, comment and subscribe, that would be amazing. What's the best thing you found dumpster diving? If you haven't been, would you like to go? Is there anything stopping you from going? Would you do what I'm doing? Would you make things work again from the dumpster dive? If you'd like to see me do anything else, like to see me repair anything else or show you how to take things apart, let me know, and I shall try and find it, or I'll try and buy it so you can do it online, so I can show you how to do it. If you've got anything that you'd like featured, so if you would like something fixed on screen, then let me know. I'm happy to try. So these are really easy. The trigger buttons come off on these as well, and this is what it looks like inside. So I'll take that off there. These come out with the controller on these black cables, so these just need to be careful and taken out. It always comes out as one. Then all the buttons come out. And then we'll take all these buttons out. And this is the shell, so we'll clean the shell. That's what we're here to do. Okay guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I will just clean that off with a, we'll do the front actually, shall we? These are really easy to work on, to be fair. There's no sticks or anything to worry about on these. We'll use a cloth. Use a cloth on this, so we'll you don't have to use compressed air. But it makes it a bit quicker. So you don't have to use compressed air, but it cleans it a lot quicker, dries it off a lot quicker. Then we'll put the buttons back in. Which button that is? You can only go in one way because they are the way they are. Which button that is? X is at the bottom. Circles this way. And this one's got like a thing in it, so it can only go one way on the thing because it goes and slots in. And the buttons. And you've got this little holder that holds it in. And then you've got your that one. So sometimes these need a bit of a clean, these trigger buttons. But these seem to be okay on this one. The other one. Yeah, these seem to be okay on this one. So we'll put that back on. Then these just slot back in. There's like a little groove it goes in. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. There's like a little groove these go into. Little groove. You go into, then it goes around there. It's like a little clip you put it in. Around there. So now we'll sort this bit out. Well, so again, washing liquid. And a toothbrush. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, guys. And there's this bit here that gets really dirty, you know, where the writing is. Not sure if we'll get that out of there, but we'll try. There's these back bits here, they collect dirt as well. and then we'll use a cloth to clean it down, wipe it down, dry it off, whatever you want to call it. And then this cable here just follows itself around those little things there. I sometimes put it back in a bit so it's a bit of fresh wire showing. Put that back on there. Screw it back in, so there's 8 screws holding it in. Can't see where I put the screws. Oh. That's all the screws on that side. This will be for sale. It'll probably be on Vinted or whatnot on my next show. I'm not sure which will come first. I'll leave the link in the description for the listing. Feel free to shoot me an offer. There may be a raffle for it if it doesn't sell after I've done the one for the PS2. I can only do one raffle at a time. That's a PS1 controller taken to bits, showing you how to do it, put it back together. I've showed you how to clean it, and thank you very much. Well, like, comment and subscribe. Let me know the best thing you found on a dumpster diving expedition. If there's anything you'd like to find. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much.